Good morning, everyone. It is Crafting Mama here, and welcome to my channel. If you are brand new, welcome. If you've been with me before, welcome back. This is an unusual topic, but I wanted to just talk about drills and some issues that you can have with diamonds or drills, just so that people that are learning for the very first time can understand a little bit and make sure that I'm covering everything that's possible for them. So here I have my boat with some drills in it, and I'm hoping I can get it close enough that you can see the issues, but not in that they're clear. Like right here, I have some that are stuck together, and this bag when I opened it had a really bad smell to it, and so that's that's the first time I've encountered a bag of drills having an odor to them. And a lot of people have said, sometimes they're made out of acrylic, so then it can smell like a nail shop where people are getting acrylic nails put on. It had a little bit of that smell, but it just kind of smelled like old wet towels that had been laying around or something like that. And then somebody else said that it could be that it's because the drills, the resin, which is what the drills are made of, didn't have a time to cure or dry before they were put in the package. And it has seemed to me that the bags that smelled out of this kit had the most problem with the drills kind of clumping. And you can see right here that's like 3 or 4 drills clumped together. And so it's easy to fix. You can just kind of take your fingers and pull them apart. And I'm looking for one. I thought I had one in this set, but I'll look in my other set where they get stuck together and make an actual ball, which those aren't always the fun ones to deal with. So give me just a minute while I see if I have any that are set in a ball. And what I've been doing, especially with this kit, since so many of them are clumping and causing issues for me, is before I get the bottle open, I'll shake it, and that seems to help everybody kind of declump a little bit better. So I have some. You can see I've got some more that are clumping, but I'm looking for one that's not just making a pyramid, but actually doing the little ball routine. And I think I found one. Oh, and it just broke apart, which is a good thing for me, but not so good when I wanted to show you what to do with it. So, oh my goodness. Usually I have no problem finding it, but when you have a set that's going to decide to make a ball, it's easy to fix. It's just a little, and this one's got some static, and I'll tell you what you can do with staticky ones too. But just scoop these back up so I don't drop them all over my desk here. But when you have one that's going to decide to be a ball, make a ball for you, it's pretty easy to fix. Sometimes it's an easy concept, but sometimes they're really stuck, and then I'll show you what that ends up being. Yep. And that clump fell apart, which is great for me. But when you have ones that make a ball, it's where the backs of 2 drills have stuck together and they literally make a complete ball. You can just take them and take your fingernails and pry them apart. So you can do that. Now, if you've got static, like this one had a little bit of static, but there's somewhere the bag is completely staticky, or your bottle that you've got them in is completely staticky. What you can do with that is take a little fabric sheet that you've used in your dryer, or a brand new one, and cut them up to small sizes and stick it inside your bottle. That will help eliminate the static from the drills. Okay, and then you may think, oh, she's got drills all mixed together. I wanted people to know exactly what I mean if I'm doing a review on a kit or something, and said that there was little or no trash. So I took some samples of what we in the world call trash, and like here it just kind of looks almost. I told my sister it looks like a nail chip from those nail salons that they put them on the little board so you can see what colors they are. So obviously that's not supposed to be on a diamond painting. Um, here's one that looks like that nail chip thing. Here's one, and I'll try to where it's got a little bit of extra tail to it, so it's not a good perfect circle. And so you can take like a nail clipper and clip around the bad part, but it's very hard to hold the drills that are that tiny and then clip the little extra resin part off. So it's just easier to throw them out. Almost everybody, they give you extra drills in your kits. So and then here is one of those balls, and give me just a second to get my trash drills put back away so that they're not all over my desk. Here is one of those balls that is stuck together. You can see it's like a perfect circle. It just rolls around. And this one, I worked and worked trying to peel it apart and get my fingers in there, to pop it apart. And it finally did. But it couldn't pop apart when I was doing it. So, if you got one that's just aggravating you like that and you can't get it to pop apart, just go ahead and toss it out. They are recyclable, so if you are one to recycle every little thing you can recycle your spare diamonds, or especially your trash ones. I was collecting them in a little glass cup, ones that they weren't DMC, they weren't Diamond Dots numbers, so I wasn't sure what their numbering system was before I was throwing them out, just to make it easier. And I realized it was looking really pretty, the different bands of the colors. And so you could do it like that, like you used to do the colored sand art. You could do that with your spare drills too. If you wanted something like that, put a lid on the jar, and you have something really pretty to look at. So just wanted to come on and talk about what to do with problem drills. And I hope that helped a little bit. I know it was a little hard to see, but I hope that helped. So if you have not subscribed to my channel and you want to be part of the Crafting Mama family, hit that subscribe button. Any comments, questions, concerns, link them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer all the comments within 24 hours. And then also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. You'll have a great day. Stay safe and take care of yourself. Bye.